Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we're in Las Vegas. We're going to go a little bit south on the Strip, a little bit way south on the Strip. We're heading towards the Silverton Hotel and Casino. Some of you may be thinking, hey, Jeff from New York, where's the Silverton Hotel and Casino? I never heard of it. Okay, say you're on the Strip, start heading towards the Mandalay Bay. Once you hit the Mandalay Bay, keep going for about, 2-3 miles. You're going to pass the airport on the left-hand side. And then you're going to come to East Windmill Lane. You make a right, go under Route 15, and it's right there. Catch an Uber from the main part of the Strip, and it's a 5-minute ride. The grounds here are really nice, and one thing to note is that the main tower of the hotel is separated from the casino. You need to walk outside, but usually not an issue in Las Vegas. So come on, everyone, let's check out the Silverton Hotel and Casino. Right off the bat, you're going to notice a few unusual features about the Silverton. One, there is a Bass Pro Shops attached to it. I don't know why. It's a hunting and camping store, but it's right here attached to the Silverton Hotel and Casino. Another thing to check out are the couple of choppers they have here on the casino floor. I always like looking at those. And if you head towards the Mermaid Lounge, you'll see this huge aquarium where there's a mermaid show put on several times a day. Real live mermaids doing a show in this aquarium. Well, maybe not real live mermaids, but women dressed as mermaids. I can't think of too many other places in Las Vegas that have live mermaids, so if you're at the Silverton, I would check out the show, and you can even get a picture with a mermaid if you'd like. This chopper here is called Azure, which is a shade of blue. Now, as you can see, the sign says Silverton Casino Hotel and Lodge. The hotel, as you saw at the beginning of the video, is separated from the casino, which is where we are right now. But there is a lodge also, which is part of this casino. We're going to see that lodge in a little bit, or at least the reception area of it. This is the Mermaid Lounge and Restaurant. The website says this is a dining and drinking experience like no other, right next to our beautiful 117,000-gallon saltwater aquarium, home to 4,000 mesmerizing tropical fish and beautiful mermaids. Now, the casino here at the Silverton is rather small, especially for a hotel and casino off the Las Vegas Strip. Think more of a downtown casino like the D or the Golden Nugget. Those casinos downtown have to be small because of the age of the building. There's really not much they can do about that. This building right off the Las Vegas Strip, however, is pretty new, so it's small by design, I guess you could say. On the left here is the Players Club and the box office. I checked out the upcoming entertainment on the website, and there is none, which would explain why there's no one standing behind the box office counter. I do understand the Silverton's a great spot for live entertainment when, there's no global pandemic going on. Here we have a Starbucks. Here we have a Woohoo Noodles, and the website says that locals know this authentic Asian restaurant as the place for noodles in Las Vegas. Woohoo! The Silverton also has a Johnny Rockets, one of my favorite go-tos when I want an inexpensive, satisfying meal. Another tip is a lot of these casinos have places like Johnny Rockets, and I get thirsty when I do these walks and tours, and I can get a soda here at the casino for like $5, or I can stop into a Johnny Rockets or a place like Johnny Rockets and get a huge fountain drink for like $2. This is the Seasons Buffet here at Silverton, and it's currently closed, but typically on a Friday it's lobster night, Saturday is Polynesian night, and Sunday is Bellini Brunch Sunday. And here we have Vale, a small and intimate venue for weddings and special occasions. This is Mitzi, the rubber ducky showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. This is Mi Casa Grill. The cantina is a perfect way to spice things up. Enjoy south of the border favorites like tacos and fajitas, along with signature dishes that are sure to please. Here's another chopper, and since it's in the Mi Casa restaurant, I'm gonna call it El Chapo. If you're up on your Mexican drug lords, you got that joke. They also feature over 45 varieties of premium tequila to pair with your meal, and come see why Mi Casa Grill Cantina won the Best of Las Vegas award and is considered one of the best off-strip restaurants. Again, this is Mi Casa, and the hotel's having a little fun with restaurant names because there's also a Su Casa, which is a sushi restaurant here at the hotel and casino. Where would you like to eat tonight, Mi Casa or Su Casa? Hey, please do Jeff from New York a favor. If you're enjoying this video, hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up button. It'll do the channel a world of good. Thanks, guys. This is the Shady Grove Lounge. It's part road trip, part mini bowling, and all fun. Try mini bowling inside the 1950s Airstream trailer, or kick back with some ice-cold brews, small plates of great food, and game time action on the 12 plasma screen TVs. Okay, I have to admit, this Airstream bowling alley with casino-themed upholstery is one of the coolest things I've seen in a while. And straight ahead is one of a few casino bars here at the Silverton. Coming up here on the left is the Sundance Grill. Specialties here include country fried steak and eggs, prime rib with creamy horseradish, towering pancake stacks, and more. It's the best place to bring your empty stomach for breakfast, lunch, dinner, or even late night. Think of it as your culinary BFF. As many of you know, I collect casino chips from around the world, and during my last visit here in Las Vegas, I decided to check out a lot of these hotels and casinos off the strip, not only to do videos, but to collect some more casino chips. Not only did I get the Silverton, but I got the Red Rock Resorts, the M Resort and Casino, Palace Station, Gold Coast, and South Point. All either have videos already posted or will have videos posted in the future. And I did a really good job adding to that collection this trip. And now we entered the lodge area of the hotel and casino. Again, the main hotel is located outside, but the lodge is right here, and so is the pool, so we can check that out as well. And I know the sign's a little dark, but it says, "Thank you for not smoking marijuana on these premises." Or is it premises? Whatever. As most of you know, marijuana is legal in Nevada. However, you must consume it in the privacy of your own home, not in public places. And around the corner here is the reception area to the lodge that's attached to the casino. And we're coming upon Silverton's Gilt Gift Shop. If you're looking for gift cards or Sin City souvenirs or one-of-a-kind gifts, this is your one-stop shop. It's also, I believe, the only shop in this casino. And coming up here is the Flare Bar, surrounded by 260 custom glass and crystal chandeliers that pulse with color. The Flare Bar sheds new light on the lounge scene. Enjoy your favorite wine, beer, or cocktail in a setting that's as inviting as it is intriguing. One of the restaurants we missed on this tour is the Twin Creek Steakhouse, featuring premium steaks, delectable seafood, and boutique bourbons. It's an upscale restaurant here at the Silverton. Don't forget to check out my book, 50 Attractions and Many Tips When Visiting Las Vegas. It's down at the bottom in the description of this video that you're watching. It's only $4.99, instantly downloaded to your computer, tons of pictures and fantastic tips if you plan on visiting Sin City. And this is where we came in at the Bass Pro Shops. Again, an odd place for a Bass Pro Shops, but this one builds itself as the largest one in the company. I was just at one in Atlantic City recently, a week or two ago, and that one seemed much larger. It had a much larger waterfall also. I actually did a video in that, and it's going to be coming out shortly. So that's the Silverton Hotel and Casino. What'd you think? Leave a comment below. Personally, I think it's a nice place to visit. It's very close to the other main hotels and casinos on the Las Vegas Strip. It's only, like I said, about a 5-minute Uber ride away. The prices for a room here are competitive with those as the hotels on the Strip. My suggestion, book on the Strip and visit the Silverton. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.